everyone, I'm Allison and you're watching Long Island Thrifter. Today, let's check out some things I've bought, some BOLOs, and what I've said bye-bye to. Yesterday, I only had time to stop at about 4 yard sales. I know, tragic, right? Anyway, I did find a few good things to flip, so let's check those out. Let's start with this Polo by Ralph Lauren shawl collar pullover sweater in a, oh my gosh, super soft, 100% cotton, heather green, really pretty color. Yes, it's a men's sweater, but I love it. And I half bought it to flip and half bought it for myself. I'm debating on it. It was $5 and it's in perfect condition. I found one on eBay which sold for $35. And so part of me is like, I think I may keep it. I'm not sure, but we'll see. If you read my newsletter, Treasure Hunt Times on Beehive, a few months ago, I posted an article on men's pullover sweaters. They are BOLOs to look out for right now. Marks and Spencer in England, their shops saw a 90% increase in sales of cardigans and pullover sweaters for men. So definitely something to look out for this fall. It's due in part by TV shows like Beef and Succession, where a lot of the male characters wear these pullover sweaters and cardigans. This sweater new is $125 on the Ralph Lauren site. Don't pass them up when you're out in the wild. When I spotted this beautiful, vibrant, shiny red bowl, I knew it was a Pyrex. But what's better than finding one? Finding two at the same table. And even better than that, the guy sold it to me for $5 for the pair. Yeah, $2.50 each. The inside is gorgeous. Yes, there are some marks on it, but nothing major. And both of them are in really nice condition. I looked them up on the Pyrex Collector website. Pyrex 404 is a 4-quart mixing bowl. They first started making them in 1949. There are 25 for sale on eBay and 25 have sold in the last 90 days. That's a really good sell-through rate. And they've sold anywhere between $20 and $40 each. I think I can get between $30 and $35 for each of these plus shipping. So I didn't get to buy a lot yesterday, but what I did buy, I think, are very good quality flips. Let's take a look at some of the items that I recently sold on eBay, which I have to say, I was very happy to say bye-bye to. You'll want to keep an eye out for this bolo, which I found in my closet when I was cleaning it out. This is a highly sought after Murano table mirror. I think I was given it as a gift as a kid, and it's just been sitting in my closet forever. I see these at yard sales a lot, so keep an eye out for them. One of the blue flowers was, it wasn't broken off, it just came off. But I put that in my listing along with a little bit of damage to one of the pins that hold the flower in place. Always show the flaws in the description and the photos, so that way no one can say to you, I didn't know it, I didn't see it. You know, if you're very clear with any kind of flaws, it's better to be upfront about them than not. I put it up for $150 and sold it within a week for best offer off of $125. So bye-bye mirror. I finally sold this primary yellow Pyrex mixing bowl number 404, which I had for probably over 2 years. It really was in poor condition. I was actually surprised when someone wanted to buy it. It has marks, it has stains on it, the luster is off of it. It's not as vibrant as this is. You can see the shine here. The yellow one that I sold, it definitely had some dishwasher damage. So never put your Pyrex in the dishwasher, please, because that'll just ruin them and takes a lot of value off too. I was very happy to see this one go for $15 plus shipping, so bye-bye. These Culver Collins glasses are highly sought after, and you should be on the lookout for them if you see them out in the wild. They're called Sculptured Daisy from the late 1960s. And if you find the ones with the gold leaves, those are worth even more. I didn't find those. I just found the ones with the green leaves. I found a sold set of 7 with the gold leaves on them that sold for best offer off of $90. So probably around $75 or $80 they sold for. And as I said, the ones I have had the green leaves. The daisies are 3D enamel. I bought them for $2 each. Unfortunately, I bought 6 of them. 2 had dishwasher damage and 1 had a teeny tiny chip on the rim. And so I had to throw all 3 of those away. It was such a shame. I really should have looked at them better, and I should have just bought 3 that I liked, and that would have been it. It pissed me off. It really pissed me off, actually. My bad. The 3 I did sell sold for $35 plus shipping, and so Buh-Bye daisies, Buh-Bye. This new with tags Tommy Bahama silk ombre shirt finally sold after 2 years. I mean, it's new with tags and it's 100% silk. I was kind of shocked that it took that long. And I had it at all different prices over the last 2 years, and someone bought it for full asking, which was only $39.99, but they got a great deal on it. They really did. It was in beautiful condition. So I'm just happy to see it go. Bye-bye. This next one is a yearbook. It's the annual report from Harvard Business School, their version of a yearbook, basically. And I found it at a thrift store for about $3 or $4. Yearbooks can be a good seller, especially if there's someone famous in it. This one doesn't have anyone famous in it, but or as far as I could tell, it didn't. But it's also Harvard, so that's gonna have some cachet to it. Even though I thought it was gonna be a tough sell, I kind of knew it would eventually sell, which it did, for $34.99 at full asking price. So bye-bye, Buffy, bye-bye. This Pyrex 1.5 quart ovenware in the Town & Country pattern was in my inventory for a really long time. I think I only paid about $4 for it at a yard sale. I thought it would have gone quicker, but it just sat there for a long time. I sold it for $20, which is not a big return, but I was just glad to get rid of it. If you saw my last video, the buyer gave me a weird review about the packing and all the styrofoam pieces coming off when she was trying to unpack it. Oh, they're so awful. They get everywhere. Bye-bye Pyrex and bye-bye buyer, because I blocked that buyer. This 3D golf marker was inside a raffle basket that I had won about a year ago. It has a map of Long Island on one side of it. It sold for $9.99, new in package, and it shuffled off to someone in Buffalo. Bye-bye. Last up is another closet find. Earlier this year, when my mom and I were going through the upstairs hall closet and getting rid of things, and it was like Christmas Day to her, she was like, where did I get that from? We found this Lancome gift set. New, never used, never opened. It's a body spray and a night cream in Aroma Calm fragrance, which is now a discontinued scent. New, never used perfumes sell on eBay. I think there's issues with partially used perfumes, so you may want to check before you list anything like that. But new, never opened, unused body sprays and things like that can be sold. I ended up selling it for $150, taking the best offer off of $175 plus shipping. Mom was thrilled to say smell you later to this gift set. Everything sells eventually. You may have to end the listing and sell similar, which will help refresh the listing. You may have to take new pictures or change the pricing. I've even increased pricing on some items and it sold. There's no rhyme or reason sometimes, at all. Thanks for watching Long Island Thrifter. If you enjoyed this video, please tap the like button, and if so inclined, please subscribe. Until next time, keep on thrifting, and bye-bye.